Hello, and welcome to my Screencast project for EME6208. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to use Navigator Notebook, aka Notebook LM, to create supplementary study material. For my example, I'll be preparing for a hypothetical quiz on color theory in bitmap and vector images. This is a useful skill for professors and students alike. First, search Navigator Notebook. Click Access Navigator Notebook to take you to the home page. Start by clicking Create New Notebook. It's helpful to create a different notebook for each of your courses. Next, gather and upload your sources. I have several websites and a research article PDF. For the research article, simply drag and drop the PDF from your downloads. To add the rest of my sources, I'll click Add Sources in the top left. For the websites, click on Website under Link and paste each of the URLs in the text box. Instead of inserting the links one by one, you can just paste them all and separate them with a line. Click Insert to send in your sources. And once the sources are inserted, you'll see all of them on the left side of the screen under Sources. To focus on select sources instead of all of them, you can deselect others by clicking on the checkbox next to the source's name. On the right side of the page is the Studio. Here you can create and customize AI-generated resources given your uploaded materials. One of the more reliable resources to generate is a report. Clicking on Report will open up a menu where you can specify the kind of document you want. As I'm preparing for a quiz, I want to create a study guide. Click the pencil icon next to Study Guide to view the prompt that will go through to the AI model. Here you can change the language for your document, or edit the prompt to be more specific to your course or student needs. For my example, I don't need the essay question portion, so I'm going to remove that from the prompt. Click Generate and wait for the magic to happen. Now we can see that my study guide is done. Click on it to see what the resulting output is. To easily save the report for my personal use, I'm going to click on the icon of two overlapping squares to copy the content to my clipboard. Lastly, I'm going to open a blank Word document and paste the content. And that's all. I now have a study guide. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create a study resource using Navigator Notebook.